What is the difference between physical custody and visitation rights? Imagine a child's life like a puzzle. Each piece represents a different part of their daily routine and relationships. Today, we're going to look at two key pieces: physical custody and visitation rights. These are important terms in family law that help shape how children spend time with their parents after separation or divorce. Physical custody is about where a child lives most of the time. The parent with physical custody provides the child's main home, handles daily routines, and takes care of their immediate needs. This can be sole physical custody, where the child lives mainly with one parent, or joint physical custody, where the child splits time between both parents' homes. Keep in mind, joint physical custody doesn't mean the child spends exactly equal time with each parent. The schedule varies based on what's best for the child and the family situation. Visitation rights, also called parenting time or access, are about how and when the parent who doesn't have physical custody spends time with the child. These visits can happen on weekends, during holidays, school breaks, or other times parents agree on. The specifics, like how often and how long the visits are usually written into a court order or parenting plan. Visitation rights don't give the visiting parent decision-making power over the child's life. Instead, they are about maintaining a relationship and ongoing contact with the child. In everyday life, the parent with physical custody takes care of the child's daily needs, like meals, homework, and bedtime routines. The parent with visitation rights gets to see the child during scheduled visits, helping build a bond. Courts generally want both parents involved, as long as it's safe and in the child's best interests. If one parent has sole physical custody, the other usually has visitation rights unless there are safety concerns. Parents can agree on visitation schedules that work for their family. If they can't agree, a court can set the schedule. Changing a visitation plan is usually easier than changing custody arrangements, which often need proof of significant changes in circumstances. Some people confuse physical custody with legal custody. Legal custody is about making big decisions for the child, like where they go to school or what health care they get. A parent can have legal custody without having physical custody, and vice versa. The main goal in family law is always the child's best interests. Courts aim to create stable living arrangements and keep both parents involved, if possible. Parents should communicate openly, follow court orders, and focus on what's best for the child when making or changing custody and visitation plans. So, to sum up, physical custody is about where the child lives day to day, while visitation rights are about how the non-custodial parent spends time with the child. Both are important parts of family law that help ensure children stay connected with both parents and grow up in a supportive environment.